Principles of Firewall Configuration. This lesson expands on the policies involved in firewall configuration and how they play a crucial role in protecting the network security. At its core, firewall configuration is like setting up rules of engagement for your network. Imagine it as creating a set of instructions for your security guard. These instructions dictate what traffic is allowed in and out of your network. It's a bit like telling the security guard who's on the guest list and who needs to be turned away. Rule-based filtering is the heart of firewall configuration. Each rule defines a specific condition and action. For instance, you might create a rule that allows incoming traffic on a certain port only from a designated IP address. These rules are processed in sequential order, so the first matching rule is applied. Now let's discuss two fundamental approaches, default deny and default allow. Default deny means that all traffic is blocked by default unless explicitly allowed through rules. On the other hand, default allows all traffic unless specifically blocked. Default deny is generally considered more secure as it forces you to explicitly define what's permitted. The least privilege principle is crucial in firewall configuration. This means granting the minimum necessary access to the users or applications. Overly permissive rules should be avoided. If a rule is not required, it's better to leave it out. This minimizes the potential attack surface and reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Next generation firewalls offer application awareness, a game changer in firewall configuration. Unlike traditional firewalls that focus on ports and protocols, these firewalls identify and control specific applications regardless of the port that they use. This enhances control and visibility. User-based policies add another layer of sophistication to firewall configuration. By tying network activity to specific users, you can apply tailored access controls. This is particularly valuable in environments where multiple users share devices or when high-privilege users require different levels of access. It's like giving different clearance levels to employees in a secure facility. Your firewall configuration is not a set it and forget it task. Networks evolve and new threats emerge. Regularly reviewing or updating your firewall rules is critical. This ensures that your configuration remains aligned with your organization's needs and security objectives. It's like performing routine maintenance to keep your security guard sharp and effective. Key takeaways. Rule-based filtering is the heart of firewall configuration. Default deny is generally considered more secure as it forces you to explicitly define what is permitted. The least privilege principle is crucial in firewall configurations. User-based policies are helpful with multiple users where the users are regularly sharing their devices. Regularly reviewing and updating your firewall rules is necessary and critical as well with an ever-evolving network. It is important for the users to realize that the firewall needs to be updated regularly to make it effective.